Welcome to school 2. School 2. It's a Mokinaga. I say Monagi gave you. Jay more. Listen up, see, baby, make you give me your fine, fine love, your sweetie, sweetie love, baby.
Please, be onto this shop.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
You guys do photocopy?
Yes, we do photocopy.
Typing?
Yes, everything.
Laminating?
Both, everything.
Conjugating?
We do everything, sir.
You see, let me tell you, this Bible, I want you to type it from me, from the beginning to the end.
The New Testament and the Old Testament?
Both all of them, both the New Testament and the Old Testament, all of them, I want you to type them for me. And I want you to print it today. I hope you can print it today.
We have all the machines. This one are printer. Photocopy everything.
Very well. I want you to start work. There is no time. Time is not my friend.
So you want me to type Jeremiah, Ezekiel,
yes.
Matthew, every a page is 15 naira.
See, money is not the problem. You don't know my church. Church is, we will just come in corporation ministry. We know the fear when it comes to money. People pay tithe almost every day. So there is no problem. Help me type this thing. There is no time. I don't want you to waste time too much. I don't want you to waste time. When is your computer? Is this not your computer?
Yes, yes. No problem.
I want you to type it for me.
No problem. Okay, can you just sit down? Just sit down.
No problem.
Let me start work.
Start. I don't want...
No, let me drink water.
What is that?
Well,
pure water. What is wrong with you people in this country? Why are you drinking pure water? No. You don't know anything about hygienic. Even hygienics you don't know about. You know what? Go and buy me bottled water. And as you want to buy me the bottled water, buy one for yourself. This thing will disturb you. You don't have problem. By the time I drink water, you drink water, this thing will be moving well. So I need this thing to be...
No. I will finish the other.
Go get me the bottled water, please. I don't have time.
Okay.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Okay, Pastor.
Obutu.
Bros.
How you doing now?
I don't find no.
How market?
Market this small.
Wow. How Oga dey?
No, he never come.
Okay, never come.
Yeah.
Okay. I beg, you go help me do one small something now. See this phone? Now my Oga phone. You go help me charge am.
No problem.
This one. Now my own phone. You go see help me charge am.
No problem.
But the battery don't die.
No problem.
I beg, I go come back later.
No problem.
Come collect the phone. You still get my charger now?
I get her.
Okay. I go.
Please, for those of you watching, please subscribe to our YouTube page. Keep watching. We'll keep bringing more educative videos, more funny videos just to treat you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Keep watching School 2.